In this part of the course, we're going to head over to the Studio DID site to generate our AI characters for our video. Here's how the site looks. You click here to be able to sign up by email. When you finish signing up, you'll have limited credits for a number of videos, and when the credit runs out, they'll ask you to pay a subscription. But I'm going to give you the method to use the site unlimited and for free. You search on Google, temp mail. This site will allow you to generate temporary emails each time the trial credit ends on Studio DID. Copy the email generated by temp mail and register with Studio DID. You'll find a link on temp mail. Click it. Click it. And validate the questionnaires. And now you've got 20 credits. You'll repeat the process each time the credit runs out, logging out and registering again with a new temp mail. Press delete and temp mail will give you a new email that you can use to register again. Anyway, let's get on with the creation. Click on Create a Video, and you'll find different avatars at Choose one of the avatars you're interested in, and click here to change the background to green. You'll understand when you're editing. Once you've chosen your avatar, copy the video script into the script section. Choose the language and voice you want.
Who is pregnant? One of these women is pregnant, Will.
Who is pregnant? One of these women is pregnant, Will.
Who is pregnant? One of these women is pregnant, Will.
Who is pregnant? One of these women is pregnant, Will.
Who is pregnant?
And click on Generate Video. Once the video has been generated, you'll then make another video of your avatar in silent mode. You'll understand everything as you edit the video. Choose the same avatar. Put on the same green background and go to the scenario section. Then select this icon to add pauses to make your avatar silent. Add enough until the video is at least 40 seconds long. And generate the video. Great. I hope you were able to understand and execute all the steps. Yeah. Download the 2 videos we've just generated, and I'll show you how to do the video editing in the next training step. Let's go for the next step, the video editing stage.